Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export to Excel here in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option, because from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting data from Monday.com to Microsoft Excel is a straightforward process because you can use Excel to create custom reports, charts, and graphs that give deeper insights into your project data. While Monday.com provides reporting features, I believe that exporting data to Excel will allow you to create a highly customized reports tailored to specific business needs or stakeholder requirements. Now, when I say it's a straightforward process, it's really easy to do that because from here, all I'm gonna do is I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the ellipsis or the three buttons beside the invite section. There should be an option that says more actions, and you have an option to export board to Excel. If you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded with a notification window that includes updates, sub-items, or send a copy to your email as well. Please take note that sorting applied to this view will not be exported to the Excel file. If you're happy with that, all I'm gonna do is click on export. And as you can see, the file is already ready here. All right, let's open that. Let me tell you that at the bottom right corner, there's a notification that says your file was already sent to andyguidechannel@gmail.com. Let's check on that. Now, as you can see, I've received the email from Monday.com about the exported file to Excel. All right. Now, I have two options. I can download the file directly from the link from Monday.com or simply download the file from here, whichever you prefer. In my case, I'm going to download the file, and now one of the options are basically opening the Excel file directly to the Microsoft Excel application. If you do not prefer that, because I wanted to have I'm using the Google's ecosystem. Instead, I'm going to open the file in Google Sheets. Okay. Now, because I believe that it's faster that way, but of course you can use the method that is more comfortable to you. Right now, here is the exported file from Monday.com. As you can see, we have all the information here, and it's up to you what you want to put some data here. Maybe. Now, if you don't have both of these options, if you don't have any Google account to work with Google Sheets or Microsoft Office to open the file for your Microsoft Excel, the other platform that you can try is Expose. This is a free online Excel viewer wherein you can free to have a viewer, spreadsheet to open, and of course download anytime, anywhere. All you're gonna do is drop or upload your files, specifically the files that we have downloaded or exported from Monday.com. This is only if you don't have any platforms for Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. All right, so it's up to you. We're just exploring any methods here to open the Excel file, because what's the point of exporting Excel in Monday.com if you can't open the file, right? Now, the next option that you can use is Skyvia. Of course, here you can schedule import and export of CSV files to Monday.com with Skyvia. It's it's free to use. All you're gonna do is sign up. It's a 100% cloud tool for automatic Monday.com CSV import export with powerful transformations, as you can see. All right, CSV and then from Monday.com. So I've been using this in the past. So if you don't have, again, any form of access to Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office and Google Worksheets, you might want to explore this method as well. All right. So it's really easy to use because you just have to drag and drop the file here, export, and of course open the file. You can get started for free if you click on this button. But if you want to have more control on the exporting and automation from Microsoft Excel to Monday.com, there is a platform wherein you can integrate and automate these workflows. All right, and that is going to be via the Zapier, because using this platform you can connect Microsoft Excel to Monday.com and automate your work and to have all these endless possibilities. All I'm gonna do is connect these apps by clicking on this orange button. When you do that, you would be forwarded here to another page wherein we can rename this as Zap. Okay, so the first thing is click on Microsoft Excel. That's going to be the event. All right. Now on the event, you can choose, like, maybe it triggers when a new row is added to a worksheet in a spreadsheet, or it triggers when a new row is added in a table in a spreadsheet. Okay. Now you can also choose the triggers when a new worksheet is added to a spreadsheet. If you click on that, the next thing is go to monday.com, select the event. So if you choose the event, for example, it creates an event after the trigger is made, like archiving a board, archives an item, or change multiple column values of an item. Or you can also create a new board. If you do that, you might want to need to connect to Microsoft Excel first. That's one thing. So that when you do that, you would let both of these platforms to authenticate themselves, and you can sit back and relax because Zapier will do the work for you, right? All you're gonna do is sign into monday.com, and of course from there just follow the on-screen prompts. Now the last option that I'm going to show you or to share with you is the source table. Basically here you can export monday.com to CSV. Okay, as we all know, monday.com is an essential tool for team collaboration, which is really it does, and within the project management. But sometimes you have to manipulate your data outside the platform to have more control over the data analysis. And source table gives you that kind of feature. Okay, now just click on the start now button here. You see, when you upload a CSV, you can analyze your data with an AI spreadsheet. So let's do that right now. Now it's loading and transferring data, and just wait for it to load. Let's see how we can use the platform and leverage the platform. All right, just wait for it, and there you go. Okay, you have an AI assistant, which is very handy if you have more questions regarding about the workflow and automation, right? It's a very I recently discovered this platform because I needed more help from the data that I have been working with. I have been working with multiple collaborators, and we opted to use a source table. All right, and from here it was a lot easier and smoother to process all the data analysis with my team. Now, with that being said, exporting to Excel from monday.com provides flexibility, allowing you to enhance, share, and analyze your data in ways that are sometimes beyond the capabilities of monday.com's native features. Remember that monday.com is for team collaboration. If you needed more help, just go to Excel. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.